To discuss one of the famous interview question like what is the difference between throw and throws. For this is another important questions like for a fresher and experienced to confuse the programmer. They will give you the code or they will ask you the difference. So approach simple. The question is there. Throw and throws. So throw is a keyword used to throw an exception explicitly, and throw is a keyword used to declare an exception. In our terms, like what we say, throw is a keyword. What we can say like throw is used to create the custom exception, and throws when user doesn't want to handle the exception. So JVM provide default handler. So from that we can throw the exception. So throw is used inside a method. Any method is there, we can use inside that method, and throws is used in method declaration. You can see the example: static void m, here throw new file not found exception. Here you can see static void throws file not found exception. Another thing is throw is always followed by instance of exception class in Java. What it means, like example, you can see throw with new keyword we will use for this throw to throw an exception, custom exception, or use any exception which you want. Throws is always followed by the name of expression of a class. Whatever the name of the exception, we will follow that one. And throw can be at a time used to throw only one exception. We know like throw is used for only one time we can throw the exception. We can't throw the multiple exception. When in case of throws we can throw multiple exception, like throw file not found exception, null pointer exception. Another thing is like throw cannot propagate exception to calling a method. If you see here, we have declared one method and we are calling. So here while the calling of during exception propagation, we can't use throw. Throws can propagate exception to calling method, but in a case of throw it is allowed. You can see the example. I think it is not written. That's it from like hope you got all the idea of like how we can use throw and throws in Java.